Welcome to Burns Hustles, where we turn side hustles into cash, The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This classic book is a must-read for value investors and provides timeless insights on investing and risk management. A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel, an excellent introduction to the concept of efficient markets and the benefits of passive investing. One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch. Peter Lynch, a legendary fund manager, shares his investment philosophy and strategies for finding promising stocks. Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. While not a traditional investing book, it offers valuable insights into financial literacy and building wealth. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book emphasizes the advantages of low-cost index fund investing. Market Wizards by Jack D. Schwager. The book compiles interviews with top traders and provides insights into their trading strategies and mindsets. Investopedia. This website offers a wide range of articles, tutorials, and resources on various investment topics from beginner to advanced. Morningstar. Morningstar provides in-depth research and analysis on mutual funds, ETFs, stocks, and other investment products. Bogleheads.org, a community of investors following the principles of John Bogle, the founder of Vanguard, emphasizing low-cost passive investing. The Motley Fool. Known for its accessible and educational content, The Motley Fool covers a variety of investment and personal finance topics. Seeking Alpha, a platform that offers stock analysis and investment insights contributed by both professionals and individual investors. Investment podcasts. Consider subscribing to investment-related podcasts like The Investors Podcast, Masters in Business by Barry Ritholtz, and The Dave Ramsey Show for personal finance advice. Coursera and EDX. Both platforms offer online courses on finance and investing from top universities and institutions. Khan Academy provides free video tutorials on finance, investing, and economics, suitable for beginners. CFA Institute, the Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. Institute offers a range of educational resources, including free webcasts and articles. Investment simulators. Virtual investment platforms like Investopedia's Stock Simulator and MarketWatch's Virtual Stock Exchange allow you to practice trading without risking real money. Financial news outlets. Regularly reading financial news from sources like CNBC, Bloomberg, and the Wall Street Journal can help you stay informed about market developments. Online forums and communities. Engage in investment-related forums and communities like Reddit's R Investing, where you can learn from and discuss investment strategies with peers.